What's up, guys? It's your boy, Dante. Can't fucking do this.
What an intro for a, what an intro for a makeup tutorial.
Alright, no.
It's your boy, Dante.
Alright. What's up, ladies?
Oh, no. Don't be doing all like that. That's just like, that's like a rapist line. What's up, ladies? Oh, what's up, guys?
Yo, fucking stop. What's up, guys?
Take 5.
Yo, what's up, guys? What's up, guys? It's your boy, Dante. I'm going to be doing a makeup video tutorial. We're gonna start with, yeah? I need to take my glasses off for this. Oh boy. Look at that knot on my head.
I can't see jack, man. do this one. Do this cheek.
Oh, I see it.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, bro, I look pretty.
Why'd you put it on your chin? Blusher. You're brushing your chin?
Yeah.
You should have got foundation first.
Mate, I'm a pretty girl now. Alright, that's done. Alright, Callum, how's this look?
Oh, you're looking like a princess now. What are we doing next? Oh, mascara.
If I could do some mascara.
Gonna get your lashes on point.
How do I do this?
Lift your fucking...
I need like a mirror because this
You got
phone's
a mirror
not.
in that thing, yeah.
Man, I don't know. Does it work?
I don't know, you frown like that and the top of your eye just covered your eyelashes.
Oh shit.
It's alright, leave it.
Wow, I'm gonna be pretty today. Oh Jesus Christ.
Look at me. Yeah, it seems a bit, yeah, I think, a little bit. At the end, yeah.
I have like no eyelashes.
You don't paint the wall, it doesn't need like 17 coats.
Shut up. I look like a fucking retard. God fucking. Wait, I need to do some more of these because I can't see shit here. Am I pretty yet? Oh, that's a difference.
If you can put any more of that on, it's going to look like you've got an allergic reaction, not blushing. Or eyeliner.
Yeah.
Get eyeliner on, yes.
How do I even start this? I'm gonna fucking poke my eye out.
Yeah, you got to get it like here.
You're yucky.
I grew up with like 5 girls.
Man, I'm just gonna do it.
No. Up.
Up? Fuck me. How hard do I have to push it? It hurts.
Oh yeah, it does. Sort of hurt.
I'm not gonna put it inside my eye, bro. I'm just gonna put it like somewhere here. Oh Jesus. This is really hard for me to watch.
I'm really surprised that you've had no luck yet. We're in a coffee shop.
Yeah, what the fuck?
People are walking past and everyone's just like, yeah, normal day. That's Dennis.
Yeah, that's something.
You look like a domestic violence victim. Are you going to do the top bit as well? I don't know if you're supposed to.
I don't even know how I'm supposed to make the top
I don't
pit.
know if you're supposed to. I'd just leave it like that.
Yeah. Jesus Christ. I'm gonna poke my fucking eye out. Okay, let's do this again. If you guys enjoy what you like to see, if you guys enjoy what you're watching right now, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications to see when I upload, just in case you want to see more. Jesus Christ. Wow, why is there like nothing here?
Have you seen Mulan?
No.
You look like, I'll pull up a picture and you can put it in. Video. There's a character in Mulan where she's like preparing Mulan to be married.
I'm gonna put some of these. I'm gonna put like blue because I'm a pretty girl now. Oh my god! Look at my face color. Nah, actually, you know what? Yeah, pretty as fuck, you know.
You look like, who is she? I can't remember her name. You look like this.
How the hell am I supposed to put this? My eyes don't even look like... Oh my Jesus Christ, Callum.
What did you do?
I did this part. Ah, Jesus Christ, I can't even close my eye properly. Eyes are not doing anything. I think I need to get more.
Get it all on there, man. Go on. Get it good.
Jesus. I think I'm a pretty little girl now. I can't fucking take this shit seriously.
You gotta go like... You don't, just put it on, like, just open your mouth and just go.
Oh Jesus! We gotta put more.
Yeah?
Definitely more.
Yeah, then put your lips together. Duck face for the...
Just a little bit more, just that good touch.
You know what you could do? Give yourself a little,
Oh my fuck.
give yourself a little beauty spot. Look at me.
That's a beauty spot?
Beauty mark, yeah.
That is more than a beauty spot, that's a mountain of a dot. No, I need...
Look at me. Say cheese. Oh,
Is that gonna be my thumbnail?
it's gonna be my new wallpaper.
If you guys did enjoy this video
We need a name
of,
for
Jesus. If you guys did enjoy this video, I'm gonna have to have this on all day. Because it's what I do now. Hope you enjoyed this video. I can't even take myself seriously. I need my glasses on, hold on. Bro. Yo, I actually look like a woman. Well,
you look like the matchmaker from Mulan.
if you guys did enjoy this video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe. Subscribe to Shuntonwoegi makes good content.
All of my 0 videos.
Yeah. Yeah. Peace. I'm gonna walk. Oh, come on. Go. Why?
This. Fuck. Amazing.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Yeah. I did my.